Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for hands-on, no-nonsense gear reviews. Today we're talking about something simple but seriously underrated. The best sitting pad you'll ever throw in your backpack. The AceCamp 3940 Portable Lightweight Foam Folding Mat. Let's face it, whether you're out hiking, backpacking, fishing, or just sitting on wet grass at a picnic, finding a clean, dry, and comfortable place to sit can be a challenge. That's exactly where this little champion comes in. Right out of the gate, what sets this sitting pad apart is how insanely lightweight it is. At only 1.6 ounces, it's basically weightless. You won't feel a thing throwing it in your backpack, your fishing bag, or even a jacket pocket. This is the kind of product you forget you brought, until you desperately need it. Let's talk about the design. When unfolded, it gives you a decently sized sitting area at 15.75 by 12 inches, with a half-inch thickness that provides just enough cushion to separate you from cold, hard, rocky, or wet ground. Fold it up, and it compacts down to a super portable 12.1 by 4.1 by 2 inches. That's smaller than most paperback books and slips into side pouches or even some cargo pockets without a fuss. The foam material is firm but forgiving, perfect for kneeling on gravel when you're setting up a tent, or just sitting around a fire after a long hike. The textured surface offers enough grip so you're not sliding around, and it doesn't soak up moisture like a sponge. It's waterproof and moisture resistant, which is a big win for early morning dew, snow, or wet grass. You can tell this is made with quality in mind. It's not the type of foam that disintegrates after a few uses. You get double-sided usability, red on one side, black on the other, so it'll last longer even with rough use. Whether you use it as a kneeling mat for gardening, a stadium seat cushion, or your go-to outdoor pad, it handles it all. And because it's so small and light, you'll find yourself bringing it everywhere, even places you didn't expect to need it. That's the beauty of gear that works silently in the background. And hey, if you're into ultralight backpacking, this is exactly the kind of multi-use minimalism you love. In a sea of inflatable seats, complicated chairs, and overpriced gadgets, the AceCamp sitting pad just does its job. So if you're ready to stop sitting in the dirt or balancing on logs, this might just be the smartest $10 you'll ever spend on outdoor gear. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what other underrated gear we should review next. Catch you out on the trail.